In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do E version of the foot. Now this is an E version of the ankle, which is a totally different exercise, and I've got that covered already on my YouTube and app. So E version of the foot is bringing the foot into a position where the outside comes up off the floor. Now what we're going to be doing is two variations. So the first variation and the second variation is for if you cheat during this movement. So the first variation is having the feet completely forwards, hip width apart, and what you're going to do is you're going to put your feet in a position where you put all of the weight into the inner arch and the outer side of the foot comes off the floor. So that looks like this, okay? So that's the outside of my foot coming up. Now, if you're doing this with the knee, to cheat the movement, what I want you to do is get something like I've got here, a Pilates block. You can use a football, anything you can put to wedge between the thighs. So then you can decide, okay, if I'm using my knees too much to come in, and I've got this block here to stop me from bringing those knees in, now you can really try and hone in on that outside of the foot just working. So this would be fantastic for those tendons on the outside of the ankle to start strengthening those up, as well as just trying to get different intrinsic foot muscles working. That is how to do E version of the foot. I hope you enjoyed this video and click like for more.